So this is the 16-ounce brewer. I love the make of it. I love the matte black. I got it because I do have black mugs. And so I wanted it to match that. But this is great for 1 to 2 people. It does a total of 2 servings, if you will. It comes with the coffer filters. It comes with the filter place to put the filter in, and then it also comes with a little pitcher that it gets brewed in, and then you can actually pour it into a separate cup. And so I really, really like that about it. Let me go ahead and put this down. You have to be careful because this does get hot, but I just want to show you what that looks like. Oh, beautiful. It smells so good, y'all. Okay, so I have brewed the coffee, and I'm just going to pour some right into my mug there. It smells divine.